Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Markets opened higher despite SGX Nifty was indicating lower opening. In fact, today in the pre-market, I mentioned that SGX Nifty indicating lower opening, and today's indication by SGX may not be correct. And I said my gut feeling is that it will move higher. In fact, I thought it will open lower, later it will move higher. But in the opening itself, it has moved higher. And of course, there was some volatility. In the morning, it went down, again went up. And there was a huge volatility, I can say. Sometimes in the afternoon also, there was some good amount of volatility. Suddenly, Nifty fell nearly 70-80 points. And within next 10-15 minutes, it shot up more than 70-80 points. And such a huge swing within a short span of time. That was really puzzling because, in the afternoon, the European markets, UK market was closed, but Germany and France markets were open. And they both were very, very firmly in green. And Euro stocks, which is a average of European markets, so it was trading more than 1%. But despite that, there was a huge selling here in the late afternoon. But of course, that selling was bought into, that's a different story. But still, this FII selling is a cause of concern. And every now and then they come and keep selling. And today, they have sold for about 200 crore, 200 plus crore. But the domestic institutions have bought for 700 plus crores. So one thing, we are happy that FII selling has been reduced considerably. They used to sell 500 crore, 1000 crore. Last Friday they sold for 3000 crores. But now they are selling just only 200 crore. So it's a new year, new beginning, and I think it's a good omen. The first trading session, market closed in green. So if first trading session is green, as per my own sentiment, the entire year will be good as long as there is no problem in between. In fact, the first trading session of 2022 was also in green, but because of this US inflation, Russian war, the markets made a huge volatility. But despite that, at the end of the year, it closed in green only. So, going by that sentiment, I hope 2023 also definitely market will close in green. But in between where it will go, that nobody knows. So, PSU stocks like REC, PFC, so they are all doing very, very well. And I think the 2023, the theme is going to be PSU stocks. And one may wonder, they have already run up so much. But in stock market, the one that has already gone up 2 times, 3 times, only will become 10 times, 20 times. So I think, this year, PSU stocks and PSU banks as well as PSU stocks will be a star performer. So let us see what happens. So looking at the open interest, on Friday I told you people are taking 18,200 short straddle, and those people, those high risk takers have been rewarded very well, and today Nifty has come and closed around 18,200. But yesterday, that is on Friday, there was a huge selling in 18,200, 300, 400 call options, and today it is just exactly opposite. And there was a huge selling in 18,200, 100 and 18,000 put options. So basically, markets, as I told you in the morning, it's likely to consolidate between 18,000 and 18,500. And, people hope, because of time value. In fact, what I did Friday, I sold far out of the money, like 17.8 put option, 17.7 put option, 18.5 call option, 18.6 call option, far away. And still, those premiums have eroded so much. 17.7 put option I sold around 11-12 rupees. Today I think it closed around 4 rupees only. So, the time decay is working very well. In the morning, the volatility index was higher. I really don't know why. Market was open in green only. And there is no reason for the volatility index to go up. It went almost 3% higher. But slowly towards the end of the day, the volatility index has come down. And the volatility index is too low for me to take some long-term strategies. So, option premiums are too low for the time being. Technically, the Bank Nifty is long only. In fact, it has been long for the last few days. But Nifty is still not technically long, and the Nifty becomes long technically only if it crosses 18,210. That is, I am talking about the spot, not the future, which is just only 10-15 point from here only. So, in all likelihood, tomorrow it will cross 18,210. So, if it crosses 18,210, if it trades consistently for more than an hour, and then I can assume that both Nifty and Bank Nifty are long. And usually, I will sell put options more aggressively only when both Nifty and Bank Nifty becomes technically long. And today what I did, I just sold some 18,200 put option, which is at the money put option. I bought 18,100 put option. So, this is called bull put spread. And tomorrow, if the market open higher, I will make some profit. So, let us see whether market opens higher tomorrow or not. So, overall the market sentiment, as I told you, there is a possibility in the first week of January, the sentiment may turn positive. Just only one trading session is over, so we have to wait for few more trading sessions. But looking at the European markets, tomorrow morning when the Dow future opens, it's likely to open positive only. So, the sentiment is likely to be positive, because today most of the Asian markets were closed. Tomorrow when they open, they are likely to open higher. So, at least the sentiment tomorrow morning will be higher. Once Tuesday is over, and then only 2 more trading sessions for weekly expiry, so option premiums will come down. So, all in all, January, the first trading session has gone very well, and hopefully option sellers will make good money in the year 2023. So, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.